WhatsApp dark mode could be on its way to iPhone. The app's beta program reportedly includes the screen darkening setting. It seems iPhone owners be able to add some noir to WhatsApp soon. The Facebook-owned messaging app's test flight beta program includes the setting in some recent testing notes, Mac Rumors reported. A beta of the update for WhatsApp's Android version was spotted last month, and likely hints at the features iOS users can expect. It adds a fresh theme option to the app's settings that'll let you manually swap between display modes or let your phone decide. WhatsApp didn't immediately respond to a request for comment. Dark mode gives your phone's display a moody hue, but Google noted in 2018 that apps with the setting can reduce battery consumption on devices with OLED displays.